Hi, welcome to part 3, our final part of our 3-part series on multimeter training. Today, we will be learning how to measure current. Are you ready? Let's begin.
First, make sure you have wired your series circuit. Series circuit is one loop. This is, of course, different from a parallel circuit that is made of multiple dimensions and multiple pathways. First, prepare the circuit to measure the total current passing through the circuit. Disconnect the one wire from the resistor to create a space for the multimeter. Next, prepare your multimeter of destruction, your multimeter. Remember, the bottom plug should remain in the bottom plug, which means ground. The other wire should be in the top plug. Did you do that? The top plug measures a maximum of 10 amps. Rotate the dial to point toward 10 amps. 10 amps is colored red as fire. Next, position the multimeter in series with the circuit. That means it is a part of the one loop. Did you do that? With the multimeter wired in series with the circuit, the total current will pass through the multimeter because it has nowhere else to go. If you were to wire the multimeter in parallel with the resistor to measure current, it would create a rift in our reality and open a portal to another dimension. It would result in a measure of partial current. Wiring the multimeter in parallel across the resistor would create a second pathway for the current to flow. A fraction of the current would flow through the resistor. The other fraction would pass through the multimeter. You would get a reading, but warning, 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 but it is not correct. This would only be a fraction of the current.
Congratulations! You finished multimeter training. This has been day 3, part 3, the final day of multimeter training. You are ready. You will do well.